Okay, let's talk about a huge challenge for subscription businesses, tracking affiliates.
So here's a big question. Are you paying full commission on every single rebill? It's a costly mistake.
We're going to break this all down with a simple metaphor, a gym membership. Let's start on day 0. It all starts with the initial purchase. Honestly, that's the easy part. A customer clicks a link, signs up, and your partner gets paid, just like a gym staffer gets a one-time bonus. But what about the first rebill? There's no new click, so who gets credit? That's the real problem. This isn't just theory. Real companies have faced this exact issue, leading to massive commission overpayments.
And it gets worse. After 90 days, that original click data, poof, it's gone. We call this the 90-day cliff. Without effects, future rebills are orphaned. There's no way to link them back. So what's the solution? The answer is a 2-event setup, and it's all powered by something called email attribution.
See, you create 2 separate events, one for the initial signup and another one just for renewals.
So what is email attribution? Think of the customer's email as their permanent membership ID. It never expires. The email acts as a permanent anchor, so even months later, you can trace that rebill back to the original partner. Now, getting this right means you have to avoid these common mistakes. Seriously, they're super costly pitfalls. Let's go back to the gym. Should that staffer get paid every single month? Forever? Probably not, right? So you need a strategy. You could pay nothing on rebills or maybe offer a smaller recurring reward. The key is having a clear plan. Okay, let's pull this all together into your final playbook. These 5 steps are your key takeaways. This is how you build a subscription program that actually scales. Remember, that email is the permanent link. It connects a customer's value back to your partners forever.